Welcome to Chenghao Display. Today we introduce a 2.4-inch custom touchscreen module. This display module has a 2.4-inch active area, a resolution of 240 by 320 pixels, a screen brightness of up to 500 nits luminance, uses SPI RGB MCU multiple interfaces, and supports screen touch feedback. The display adopts IPS display mode, and the best viewing angle of the display screen is full viewing direction. This display is mainly designed and customized for installation in smart home devices. 1.3-inch round LCD screen, 3.5-inch custom display module, 8-inch high brightness display, 10.1-inch industrial display module. If you have more questions, please contact us through the video and URL. Thank you for watching.